Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another step-by-step tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to transfer Chainlink from Coinbase Wallet to Gemini in 2025. Chainlink is a popular cryptocurrency used for smart contracts, and moving it between exchanges like Coinbase Wallet and Gemini can help you manage your portfolio more effectively. Whether you're looking to trade on Gemini for better fees or just diversifying your holdings, this guide will walk you through it safely and efficiently. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Coinbase Wallet and Gemini, and that you've enabled two-factor authentication for security. It's 2025, after all, so let's stay protected. Step 1. Log into your Coinbase Wallet app or website. Navigate to your Chainlink holdings by going to the Assets tab and selecting Chainlink link. Double-check your balance to ensure you have enough to cover the transfer and any network fees. Step 2. Hit the Send or Withdraw button for Chainlink. You'll need to enter the recipient's wallet address, which is Gemini's Ethereum-based address since Chainlink runs on the Ethereum blockchain. Pro tip: always verify the address on Gemini's official website to avoid any scams. Fake addresses are a common issue. Step 3. Enter the amount of Chainlink you want to transfer. Be precise, and remember to account for gas fees, which might be higher in 2025 due to network upgrades. Review the transaction details carefully, then confirm with your authentication method. Step 4. Once the transaction is initiated, head over to Gemini. Log in and go to your deposit section. Select Chainlink and choose the Ethereum network. You'll see the incoming transfer once it's confirmed on the blockchain, which could take a few minutes to an hour depending on network congestion. A quick heads up: always use the correct network. Stick to Ethereum for Chainlink to prevent lost funds. If you're new to this, start with a small amount to test. By 2025, exchanges might have updated interfaces, so keep an eye on any platform changes. Wrapping this up, you've now successfully transferred your Chainlink. This process keeps your assets flexible and secure. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay safe out there in the crypto world. See you next time.